Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gyro wraps. First, select your meat, typically lamb, beef, or pork, sliced very thinly. Season it well with traditional Mediterranean spices like oregano, thyme, and garlic powder. Cook the meat on a vertical rotisserie, if you have one, or pan-fry it until it's beautifully browned and cooked through. This ensures a tender and flavorful foundation for your wrap. Next, let's create the essential tzatziki sauce. Grate 1 medium cucumber and squeeze out excess water. Mix it with 1 cup of thick Greek yogurt, 2 cloves of minced fresh garlic, and 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Stir everything together and chill for at least 30 minutes for optimal flavor. Now, it's time to assemble your delicious gyro wrap. Gently warm 1 pita bread on a griddle or in a pan for about 30 seconds per side until it's soft and pliable. Spread a generous 2 tablespoons of your chilled tzatziki sauce evenly over the warm pita. Then, pile on a hearty 4 ounces of your perfectly cooked gyro meat. To complete your gyro, add fresh, crisp toppings. Place a few slices of ripe tomato and some thinly sliced red onion over the meat. You can also add a sprinkle of fresh parsley if desired. Carefully fold or roll your pita tightly to keep all the wonderful ingredients securely inside. Serve your homemade gyro immediately and savor every flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.